Hello guys, Marco's here with Water Brothers. Hawk is on the camera today. He's the cameraman. Hey Hawk, say hi to our folks out there.
How are you, folks? I'm the cameraman.
Yes, he is for today. Okay, this video is actually to show you our first build. We built this trailer. We wanted something compact and as efficient as possible only for residential work. That's pretty much what we do. We either have 2 or 3 men working with this trailer, and most of the time it's Hawk and I. And I'm gonna walk you through. So we have 100 feet of Flexzilla hose here that's connected to our tank. That's the feed line. So we connect that obviously to the homeowner water source. We have a T right here connected to a bulkhead fitting. And we have a shutoff here as well. And when we talk about efficiency, and that's what I'm talking about, I don't have to run to the homeowner's water source to shut that off. I can shut that off right here. I can control that. I do not have, I opted not to have a Hudson valve here because I honestly don't want this tank completely filled. We usually run 150, 175, and then I shut off the valve, and that's enough for what we do with residential running 2 machines. Talking about trailer, this is a 5x8. This is a small trailer. I mean, we get a lot of jobs in the city as well as the suburb areas. So when we are in tight areas, tight spots, we sometimes use only the truck. We have another build that's coming soon. We're gonna show you the video of that build as well. But we use a lot more this trailer, and this trailer has made us quite a bit of money, and it has worked very well for us. It's a 5x8. It's a 3500 axle, a single axle. We have a 225-gallon tank here. 100 feet of hose here for feed. It's a 5/8, it's not a 3/4. We have 200 feet of pressure hose. It's a single hose, no connectors. It's a straight 200. It's a single wire, it's lighter. Yeah, a lot of people do not like a single wire. They say you could burst prematurely. We've done really well with them, no problems, and that's what we use. We have a aluminum 12-inch hose reel. This is actually a King's. I mean, it doesn't matter the brand. It's what you like, what you feel comfortable with, what works best for you. But this is a King's aluminum with a stainless manifold, and it's manual. Another one here, so one for each machine that we have. On our tee-up here with the water fed, we also have an extra line, and then we'll tell you why I have this line here. First, with the water pressure from the homeowner, I can have an extra line here that I can rinse. I can rinse my hands. I can fill my chemical tank with water for my batch mix, and I can help with the drainage of the truck as well to dump water. And another function of this is, for some reason, if I need that tank filled pretty quickly, that's a second line that I can put another hose that I have another 100 foot of hose here. I can plug right here, put on the homeowner's second water source, and double feed this tank. So I can have water pretty quickly, and I can be more efficient out there to finish a job in a timely manner. Talking about dump line, I have a dump line. Hawk, you can show folks here. We have a bulkhead fitting right there. It's a 2-inch pipe coming down this way, parallel to the trailer. I have a dump line. Nice and easy. Talking about our machines here, we have 2 machines with a Honda, a legendary Honda 390 motor. This one here has a Comet pump, 4 gallon per minute. They're all belt driven. We have a bypass running back to the tank. So this way, if you take your hand off the trigger, you have no problems with your pump overheating. We have an extra tank here. This tank, I will explain to you why we have that, and I'll explain the whole system that we have. We have those two tanks. So one, it's for our batch mix, for our house wash mix. The second one, it's for it is a chlorine inhibitor. It is we neutralize the SH. We pre-wet all the plants to make sure it's all safe. Grass, plants, whatever it's in the way of that solution, the SH solution. It's an inhibitor. Basically, it's mixed with water. I have a whole system going on here with those valves on top here to pull from the house wash mix, which is SH, soap and water. And then I built this valve here. It's not a proportioner. Those are obviously ball valves, they're 1/2 inch. We have lines here, one line we have for the SH, which is my house wash mix. One line we have for the chlorine blocker, for the chlorine inhibitor. And the other line, it's a water for flushing. So I have that running into the tank. I have this one running into the smaller tank for our chlorine inhibitor. And the second one, obviously, into the house wash mix tank. And it's very simple. When we're ready, when we rinse the house, now we're gonna rinse plants. We're gonna make sure that there is no house wash mix on those plants. We're gonna make sure everything is neutralized. So we close our SH. Obviously it's closed on top here. Open the splash, close the water. And now I'm gonna pull that with this machine through the downstream injector. I'm gonna neutralize those plants. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna close, open the water and flush the whole system, flush everything through the lines. Now I know it's all water there. So I'm gonna close everything here. We have a 20-inch surface cleaner. It's a GP, works very well for us. This is for our tools and other things here. Small box. This is our second machine with an HP replacement pump, 4 gallons per minute as well. We have a valve for each line. If we have to work on the main valve, we can close the machines, the water feeding machines here individually, so we can work on the machines and do everything else. I have a bypass running to the tank as well, so we can take our hand off the trigger on this machine. Also a belt driven. Again, this is our chlorine neutralizer tank. Back here our tank again. And our second surface cleaner, which is an 18, also a GP. It works really well for us. And this one here has a greasable swivel, so that's a very nice machine. It's actually works really well with the 4 gallons per minute. And we have our ladders here, or gate that we keep our advertisement back here with our phone number, our name, our logo, and that's it, folks. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of our first build. And for house washing, for residential only, we have a built-in tank. We have a couple other trailers for commercial, but this is our go-to when it comes to house washing. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I would love to explain anything here that maybe got missed. Maybe you see something here that I missed or didn't explain. Please let us know. We call this ready. It looks ready, but it works really well. It's very efficient. Everything is there at our fingertip, and we are very proud of building this ourselves. There are several companies out there. They're very competent and very, they build quality trailers. we like working on our things ourselves. Yeah, sometimes we don't have the time, but we take our time to do that because we know what's going to work for us. We know what we need. As time goes by, as we wash more houses, we see the need for an extra valve here, we see the need of an extra tank there, and we evolve our trailers with it. So if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. And next one will be for a truck, Showhawk. It's closed right now. We're gonna have an extra video showing our build for a truck, and that's next. Thank you, folks. I appreciate it. Please, if you want to see more videos from us, like, subscribe, and click on the bell to receive notifications when we post new videos. We do a lot of videos geared to the homeowner that we wash their homes, but also we are doing a lot of videos of reviews of equipment, which one is best, which one performs better for us, and there will be a couple pressure washing builds that we're going to be putting together for you as well. 8 gallon per minute, 7 gallon per minute, 10 gallon per minute, 12. We're going to be working on that too. And subscribe, like, help us out, and I'll see you in the next video.